Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Stripe billing for subscriptions in mobile apps. Complete guide step by step clearly. To activate Stripe billing for subscriptions in your mobile app, you first need to create a Stripe account. Visit the Stripe website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in your email address, full name, and a strong password. Once your account is created, verify your email to complete the setup process. Next, log into your Stripe dashboard. Navigate to the billing section in the left sidebar. Click on Products to begin creating your subscription plan. Select Add Product and enter the product name and description. Define whether this product will be a one-time purchase or a subscription. For a subscription, select the subscription option. Now, you need to set up pricing for your subscription plan. Click on Add Pricing Plan and fill in the required details, such as currency and amount. Choose the billing interval, like weekly, monthly, or yearly, according to your business model. Make sure to enable trial periods if you want to offer them to new customers. After configuring the pricing plan, save your changes to finalize the product. Next, return to your dashboard and visit the Developers section. Here, you will find your API keys. For testing purposes, use the test keys, and switch to live keys once you're ready to go live. Now, integrate the Stripe API into your mobile app. Follow the official Stripe documentation to ensure proper implementation. Set up the Stripe SDK within your app, making sure to include necessary libraries. Create a payment form that allows users to enter their payment information securely. Implement logic to handle subscription creation once a user submits their payment details. Ensure that the app communicates with the Stripe server to manage the subscription lifecycle. Test the subscription flow thoroughly using test card numbers provided by Stripe. Monitor the subscription status and handle billing events like renewals and cancellations. Finally, deploy your app with the newly integrated Stripe subscriptions feature. Stay on top of customer support for any billing inquiries. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.